Jai Sri Krishna. In this session, we will conclude our study of chapter 7 of the Bhagavad Gita by reciting verses 24 to 30, delving deeper into the question, who is God? Lord Krishna expands on this profound inquiry. So let's recite the verses and look into the meaning and significance of it. Avyaktam vyaktimaapannam manyante mam buddhayah परं भावम् अजानन्तो ममाव्ययम् अनुत्तमम् नाहं प्रकाशः सर्वस्य योगमाया समावृतः मूढोऽयं नाभिजानाति लोको माम् अजमव्ययम् वेदाहं समतीतानि वर्तमानानि चार्जुन भविष्याणि च भूतानि Mam tu vedana kaschana. Lord Krishna explains that individuals with limited understanding perceive him as transitioning from an unmanifested to manifested form. Transitioning from unmanifested to manifested form. They fail to grasp his eternal nature. Krishna's existence is eternal. It's not that he is unmanifested at one time and then manifests himself in some or other physical form, that is, as some human being. Okay, his presence is eternal. It's always there. It's never that he was not there or he was inactive and now he is there, he is active. Nothing like that. So people with lower understanding fail to grasp his eternal nature. He clarifies that he exists eternally in the form of both material and spiritual energies, never confined to a single physical body. Now, as a supreme entity, he is holding the entire universe, whose length and breadth is measured in billions of light years. How can he be confined to a single physical body? So, deluded by Maya, that is illusion, and rooted in the material realm where everything is transient, such individuals cannot comprehend that Krishna is unborn, inexhaustible, and omniscient. While he knows the past, present, and future, no one can fully know him. Then he said, Ichha dvesha samuddhena इच्छाद्वेषसमुत्थेन द्वन्द्वमोहेन भारत सर्वभूतानि सम्मोहं सर्गे यान्ति परन्तप येषां त्वन्तगतं पापं जनानां पुण्यकर्मणां ते द्वन्द्वमोहनिर्मुक्ता भजन्ते मां दृढव्रताः जरामरणमोक्षाय मामाश्रित्य यतन्ति ये ते ब्रह्म तद्विदुः कृत्स्नम् अध्यात्मं कर्म चाखिलम्. Lord Krishna further elaborates that the material realm, driven by desire, jealousy, duality, and illusion, prevents people from understanding the ultimate truth. So until we are attached to this body, until we identify ourselves with body, we will not be able to understand the eternal nature of Lord Krishna. To understand the eternal nature of Lord Krishna, we will have to establish ourselves in the spiritual dimension. Then he says, however, those who engage in pious actions and avoid sinful deeds worship him with unwavering faith and determination. Such devotees start succeeding in understanding the eternal nature of Lord Krishna. Okay. And people like this, once we establish ourselves in the spiritual dimension, we get liberation from the cycle of death and birth. Death and birth is of this physical entity, this physical body. Once we detach ourselves from this physical aspect of our existence and rather establish ourselves in the spiritual dimension, we get liberation from death and birth. So the meaning is we get liberation from the miseries which are due to the physical existence of ours. These spiritually awakened individuals understand the true essence of existence and align their actions accordingly. Then Lord Krishna says, Sadhi bhutadhi daivam mam sadhi yagyam cha ye viduhu prayan kali bhijamam te divyukti chetasah. Krishna emphasizes that those who realize him as the supreme governor of the material, divine, and sacrificial realm, even at the moment of death, means it's never late, unite with him and attain liberation, merging into his eternal presence. So a spiritual dimension is eternal presence, whereas physical dimension is transient. This body is doomed to decay, doomed to end. This is the truth. Okay. Whereas the spiritual aspect of our existence is eternal. Okay. So the key message from chapter 7 is transcend attachment to material realm. Anchor yourself in a spiritual understanding and realize the eternal nature of the Supreme Being. So this is the key message from chapter 7. And this is how chapter 7 concludes. In the next chapter, that is chapter 8, Lord Krishna delves into profound topics related to life, death, and attaining liberation, answering Arjun's queries about key spiritual concepts. So stay tuned to benefit from the eternal wisdom shared by Lord Krishna. Thank you very much.